welcome back. You out and Step Euro airdrop, guys. Step Euro just launched another airdrop. So apparently, this is the trending one. This current ongoing airdrop for November 2021. So you can see the price movement is split. Lows of 0.6 for 24-hour volume and highs of 0.74. So on the larger scale, you can check for 1 month movement and that for 1 year movement to see the price movement, guys. So all you need to do first and foremost, add it to your watch list. We've already added it to our watch list. We just click on this star button and it should be added to your watch list. Make sure to set your watch list at public. Circulating supply, we have about 12 million of these tokens. Let's say about 13 million. That's 13% in circulating supply. So the market data is tracked already. Is on the Binance Smart Chain contract. Official website is here, so you can check out stepeuro.io. Also available on Telegram and other channels, guys. So meanwhile, we do also have price estimates, historical data, project info, and news and socials, guys. You can check out. So Step Euro airdrop campaign. Participate in the Step Euro airdrop campaign. Get up to 100 Euro tokens. So there are lots of people participating on this project already. It's going to be ending by December 4th. So 70,000 Euro tokens will be given out to 700 winners. So these you can redeem. So the steps here is add it to your watch list, which we've done. Add Step Euro as watch list on CoinMarketCap. Follow Sanctus Twitter. Follow Step Euro Twitter. Join Step Euro Telegram group. Join Step Euro Telegram channel. Join Step Euro Discord server. So follow Step Euro TikTok. Like Step Euro fan page. The top 700 random winners who have completed all required tasks will receive 100 Euro tokens each person. So I think that's a great one, guys. So guys, here you can check out all the previous airdrops that have been gone for Step Euro. So there are some that are currently awaiting results. For some white, you can see those who participated in already. So guys, you want to jump on this project, hopefully. So guys, for tips here, number one tip is for you to make sure your watch list is set at public. Number two tip is to be active on these platforms that you're joining. Number three tip is to tag and retweet your pin post at least. You can add tag as much as 100 of your friends if you have up to. Then you can also retweet as much post as you see on the Twitter handle, on their Twitter handle. You can follow them on all social media, Discord. Try and be active and be, if you can, get an OG role. So guys, those are some of the tips here. So guys, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Keys. We are currently be giving a giveaway to most of our subscribers, so you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel. You want to stay tuned, so I'll bring you the best, and hopefully we'll be doing an airdrop for you guys, so you guys can benefit from subscribing to our YouTube channel. One love and peace out, guys. Keys, and stay safe.